Hi, this is VisiPro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Memoji on your MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! When you create a user account on Mac, you can personalize it by setting a photo or an icon. You can also set it with an emoji, which are animated images and emojis that resemble you. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So if you want to create your Memoji on your MacBook, you can just open your system preferences. Now you can go to user and group sections. You can click on edit on the profile picture and you'll find here's the Memoji. You can click on plus icon on here. Here you can customize, you can personalize your Memoji. You can choose your skin color. First, you can choose your skin color in here. You can also add freckles on your face, on your Memoji face. Maybe for the example, I will choose this freckles. You can personalize, you can customize your Memoji that resemble yourself. You can add for the cheeks, your cheeks color, blush, the blush. If you scroll down again, here's you can choose your cheek type like this. And also you can, if you scroll down again, there is a beauty spot that you can choose, like mole. If you have mole on your face, you can choose. And here, I will choose this one. Now after that, you can go to your hairstyle. You can choose your hairstyle on your Memoji that resemble yourself. And also you can choose the hair color. There's so much hairstyles that you can use on and here. If you have long hair, you can choose for the long hair. If you tied your hair, you can also choose on here. Maybe for the example, I will just choose this one, I think. I will choose this one for my Memoji. Now, after that, you can just, next to your brows, you can customize your brows in here. Maybe for the example, there's also much brows types that you can choose. You can also choose the brow color. And here, I will choose this one. To scroll down, you can also add your forehead mark, but I will not use that. You can also add the brow piercing if you have brow piercing. Now next you can go to the eyes. You can customize your eyes. And here, after you find the eyes that resemble yourself, you can change the eyes color too. And here, there's so much eyes color that you can use. You can customize for your Memoji. I will choose this one. After that, you can scroll down. You can add eyelashes. There's so much eyelashes too that you can use. You can set for your Memoji. I will choose this one for the example. I think just this one. You can add the eyeliner too. I will choose this. Now you can scroll down, you can add the eyeshadow. You can choose the eyeshadow, the color also. After that, after you're finished with the eyes, you can go to your head. You can choose age. Your age, if you're a teenager or maybe you're just a baby. I'll choose this. I would choose the head shape too. There's so much head shape type that you can use. Now after that, you can just go to nose. If you have nose piercing, you can add the nose piercing too. If you use oxygen tube, you can use the oxygen tube. Now you can choose your lips, your mouth type, your teeth. You can also choose the mouth piercing if you have mouth piercing, and also the tongue piercing. You can change the lips color in here. And you can customize, you can edit your Memoji anytime you want. Maybe if you want to change the hairstyle or the hair color, the lips color. After that, after you finish with the mouth, you can go next to the ears. Wait, I will choose the right color for my lips first. You can go to the ears. You can add earrings for your ears. You can add the facial hair here. After that, you can choose the eyewear in here, like frame. If you're using glasses, you can also change the frame color. For the example, I will choose this one maybe. I'll choose this one. Now you can use a patch too if you're using a patch. You can add headwear in here. There's so much headwear that you can use. Now you can go to the clothes in here. There's not much clothes that you can choose in here, but it's okay. Maybe for the example, I will choose, wait, I will choose this clothes. I will choose this one for my Memoji. Now it's done. Here's your Memoji on your Macbook. Now you can just tap on save. And now you can use your Memoji as your profile picture on your MacBook. It's a simple ride, so that is how to create Memoji on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!